So many interviewers complain to us that the students are all over the place when they start speaking. They would start in one direction, then they would start talking about something totally different. There is no storyline. What do you mean by a storyline? There should be a very clear governing statement. This is what I want to say. And some supporting logic for that governing statement. This is why you should believe what I'm saying. For example, I am creative. Why am I saying I am creative? Why is my governing statement I am creative? Because I've applied for an advertising or a marketing career where I know that one of the skills that they are looking for is creativity. So my governing statement becomes I am creative. But why should the interviewer believe that I am creative? Sir, I have always participated and won awards in various creative writing contests. Sir, in all college festivals, I was the one who was asked to design the marketing campaigns and design all marketing collaterals. So these two become the supporting logic. The fact that you have won a lot of creative writing contests, the fact that you've always designed marketing collaterals for your college festivals, these two become the supporting logic for your governing statement, be creative, I am creative. And you have chosen this line, you have chosen this USP, you have chosen this unique selling proposition of I am creative because you have applied for a career where creativity is very important. For example, if you have applied for a finance career instead of an advertising career, maybe you should not have written I am creative. Maybe you should have written I am very comfortable with numbers. So you have to carefully choose what is your governing statement and then carefully choose what logic, what reasons, what proof would you give so that the interviewer really believes that you have that. So in an interview, irrespective of what the questions are asked, you should be very clear. What are the three things I must communicate about myself? I am creative, I am good with numbers, I am a very outgoing person, I am very good at forming relationship with others. For example, if it's an HR career, you should be very clear what are the three messages you want to communicate about yourself, and you should have some proof why others will believe you really have those skill sets, and communicate that in very, very crisp manner. Governing statement, supporting logic. Sir, I am creative because I have always won awards in creative writing contests, and in all college festivals I was asked to design the marketing collaterals and marketing campaigns. This is all. Don't take him all over the place that there were many contests, I also participated, I went to Delhi. How is that relevant? For example, another big problem that interviewers face is, the first question interviewer asks is, tell me something about yourself. The interviewee will go all over the place. Sir, my name is this, my father's name is this, my mother's name is this, I'm coming from this particular city. And the interviewer is like, but I can't hire you because you're coming from that city. Remember, an interview is not to pass information. An interview is to sell yourself. It's a selling tool. You must point out your unique selling proposition. Why you are the best fit for this job. So, instead of talking about 100 things that don't matter in tell me something about yourself, you should answer only those 3 or 4 things that you are sure will wow the interviewer. If you have followed tip 1 and tip 2 well, you have really understood about the company and prepared your how do you match with that profile, you will know how to answer that. So tip 3, communicate well. Governing statement, supporting logic. All the best.